Hello and welcome. You're watching dbmnTv. This is Monalisa Rumbai, bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. On April 15th and 16th, the children's meeting of the Central Zone of the Salesian Province, St. James the Greater (SSM), was held in Aranjuez. 480 children from 3rd to 6th grade of elementary school participated in this initiative. Accompanied by about 100 animators, the youngest of the 22 Salesian youth centers in the area experienced 2 intense days of conviviality, reflection and friendship under the motto, Meeting Point. Participants reflected on the fact that everyone can be a true meeting point for so many other people whom he or she is called to help in the family, among friends, with peers, in the same way Jesus did with all those he met. Saturday morning served to settle in and get to know each other. Then in the afternoon there was a time of reflection followed by a session of games around the Palacio de Aranjuez. In the evening, there was singing and dancing. The meeting is part of the provincial proposals of the Itinerary of Faith Education, IEF. Father Alberto Arteaga, SDB, a member of the IEF Provincial Commission, said, "This meeting continues to have a lot of force because the animators continue to believe in Don Bosco's dream and give their time and energy to the youngsters." Delegates from 6 Polish provinces, SDB and FMA, responsible for the management of educational institutions, continued their reflections leading to the collaboration of educational environments throughout Poland. The conference took place on April 17 and in the Salesian House, where the provincial delegates, 4 SDB and 2 FMA, addressed a number of issues, including the preparation of a national conference of Salesian school and educational institution directors. The event will be held in Taronsky Gore from October 13 to 15, 2023 and will be developed to prevention in the conduct of work in order to avoid crisis situations and how to deal with them if they do occur. Also pending is a tool for teachers and educators for the implementation of which the educational community has been involved and which will be promoted by the delegates. The functioning of the National Commission for Education, KKSW in Polish, was also discussed and the willingness to cooperate was confirmed. 154 years ago, Don Bosco launched another group of the Salesian family, ADMA, Association of Mary Help of Christians in Turin, based in Valdocco's Basilica of Mary Help of Christians, consecrated just the previous year in 1868. With the rapid growth of ADMA around the world, more than 100,000 members, this year's celebrations were launched with a strong animation drive from the ADMA Primara Valdocco, visible in their 15-language commemorative prayer, including Tetum, Bahasa, Indonesia, Khmer, Korean, Japanese, Thai and English, with a video message from Mr. Renato Valera, President of ADMA Primaria, and many prayerful events around the EAO region. From the EAO region, special large celebrations have taken place in Timor-Leste TLS in Filoro Los Palos Center, a live-streamed ADMA anniversary mass in the Manila Paranaque National Shrine of Mary Help of Christians, as well as in Indonesia, Philippines and other EAO countries. Don Bosco's deeply rooted devotion to Mary as Mother of the Church, Help of Christians and model for Jesus' disciples is spread through a variety of creative initiatives by ADMA lay members, accompanied by their spiritual animators, both SDB and FMA, around the world. We wish a happy and fruitful 154th birthday to all ADMA members around the world. At the Vocational Center San Jose, the annual meeting of the Salesian family of Formosa was held on the 1st and 2nd of April with the participation of more than 200 people from various sectors. The space was designed so that the entire community could come together to get to know each other, play music, sing and share experiences. During the Palm Sunday Eucharist, which concluded the meeting, religious professions were celebrated for 50 years of Sister Anna Maria Zanin, FMA, and 25 years of profession of Sister Sofia Caballero, FMA, and Salesian Brother Walter Fernandez, coadjutor. Care for the neediest minors, the heart of the Salesian charism, can be manifested in many ways. A non-traditional but very eloquent way is the one identified by the Salesians of Funchal, who last April 10th signed a collaboration protocol with the Child Development Aid Center, CRESCA, active in the same Portuguese society. Under this agreement, the Salesian Works Pool Complex will be made available to carry out aquatic therapy sessions for children and youth with neurological and neurodevelopmental disorders. Aquatic therapy is intended for children aged 3 years and older with neurodevelopmental disorders and sensory, motor, social, cognitive or emotional disorders. Individual hydrotherapy sessions last 30 minutes and are conducted by an occupational therapist in the learning pool using various play materials for adaptation and autonomy in the aquatic environment as well as other aspects of neurosensory and motor development. The Child Development Aid Center has been active for about a year and a half in Funchal and provides pedagogical support, physiotherapy, speech therapy and psychological, nutritional and occupational help in the pediatric age range of 0 to 18 years. The Salesians for their part have been active in Funchal for more than 70 years, having started their presence in the city in October 1950. From the very beginning, their work was marked by the social thrust of its pastoral action, having as its first objective the education of poor and orphaned youth. Today, a vast Salesian work stands in Funchal, which is composed of many educational and apostolic activities, being able to count on an oratory, the school from the first to the third course cycle, the parish, welfare works, the centre of the Salesian Cooperators, the centre of the past pupils of Don Bosco, and that of the Association of Mary Help of Christians. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.